Go to mom. Mom, gotta hop up.
Samuel!
It's your stocking
Samuel, look.
time. It's stocking
Look at mom.
Come here, Sam.
Samuel, it's stocking time.
Come here, Sam.
He's like, wait, I gotta look at all these. Okay, that's just the first of many policing situations.
One of those bows.
Come here, come over here. Look at mom.
One of those bows.
Look at mom.
Come here, look over here.
Yay! I can stick on my bed.
Look, Samuel.
Right here.
Hi.
Yeah. Here, Sam.
Yes.
These are yours.
Get him.
And yours.
Oh, yeah.
No. And this is also yours.
You're not getting up here. Okay, pause.
Go, Samuel, go. Oh, my goodness. Ooh. For you.
What else is in there?
What else?
We gotta open it. You want me to open it?
Here, what else is in there? What else is in there? Is there anything else in there?
There's lots more.
Oh, a sucker.
Oh my goodness. He's like, yes, please.
It's like a fish out. Couple.
Clearly Santa knows me.
Ooh, what you got? Ooh, another. What else do you got?
Go in there. What's in there? Ezra's like, I'm going to sneak up and grab it when he's not looking.
I'm gonna give you a start. Pull it out. I guess it's a shirt.
I say take it out then. You're fine.
Look, Sam. It's a pirate shirt.
Oh, what else?
There's something else.
Oh my goodness.
It's a moose.
Moose.
A moose shirt.
Oh, there's something else. Oh, watch it. Watch it.
Aww.
Oh my goodness.
Looks
It says
like-
big brave brother.
Are you a big bro, Sam? Is that it, Pen?
Yep.
Holy
Want your
cow.
juice? Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Samuel, look at me. Samuel, look at me. Look. Samuel. Samuel. Can you say ho, ho, ho?
He's like, how can I fit 40 things in
Can
my...
you say, Samuel? Can you say ho, ho, ho?
Ho, ho, ho.
All right, Ben, thank you. Thank you for doing that.
It just sounded... It could have
It's
sounded
perfect.
like Sam did. No, it's good.
I said do it again.
Ho, ho, ho.
Okay, because you know what? Samuel's being a bah humbug. I'm glad you did
You're
it.
not. You've got all the
Say ho,
Christmas
ho,
cheer.
ho.
Ho, ho, ho.